So continuing with this, that is your plurality and the inequalities that is among the society, your contemporary world and your diversity. Now we will start with we were at the topic, we were at the point of sociologist account of the Dalit in the village below. So we are going to discuss about this. That is interesting to the contrast with the sociologist accounts of the Dalit that is in the village below. The first time it is given into your book, you can see the first time I saw him, he was sitting on the dusty road in the front of one of the small thatch roofed tea shops in the village with his glass and saucer that is being placed conspiciously beside him, and a silent signal to the shopkeeper that an untouchable wanted to buy some tea. So Molly was a gaunt 40-year-old with the beetle blackened teeth who wore his long hair swept back. So it has been given in this that for the first time they saw, for the first time they saw that they're sitting on the dusty road they in front of one of the small thatch roof tea shop. That is, this has been provided for the Dalit. The view of the village Dalit means their socialistic accounts of the Dalits in the village. It is being provided a preview in which he said that sitting on the dusty road that is in the front of one of the small thatched that is being slide downward. That is the tea shop, the thatched roofed tea shop that is in the village with his glass and the saucer placed, with the glass and the saucer that is being placed that besides him, and also there is a silent signal to the shopkeeper that untouchable wanted to buy some tea. Then Molly will go on the 40-year-old, that is 40-year-old beetle blackened teeth that wore his long hair that is swept back. Then next is your again a quote that is from Amartya Sen, means a quote from the Amartya Sen, as we already read the filmmaker whose description we have already discussed before, is perhaps illustrates well how inequality is a central different among society. Means he has illustrated that how inequality is a central, how it is a central to differences, that is also to differences among the societies. So we can say that there are some people, those who are rich, how this inequality comes, some people rich like some people poor, there is difference between, this is the inequality, means they are not to be treated equally. Then what? Then some are very well educated, some are not, some are uneducated, and also there are the difference is that one is the educated one and other is the illiterate one. One is employed, one is unemployed. So this is the inequalities which we suffer. So some lead easy life of luxury and other toil hard for the little reward. Means some live the luxurious life while the other they work hard for a little money also. Then some are the politically powerful and others cannot influence anything. So some have the great opportunities. These are the examples of the inequalities. It means how there are inequalities among different people. So like some politically powerful, some people they are politically powerful, and some they and the others they influences by anything. So some have the great opportunity for the advancement in life, means some get the opportunity to get better in their life, to get good in their life, advances in their life, whereas the others, they lack to get them altogether. So these are to be treated with respect by the police, that is others are to be treated as the dirt. Means some policemen, they treat the people with respect, those who have positions, those who are politics, those who are in the those who are in the politics, and they also treat the other as a dirt. So there are different kinds of the inequalities. Then and all these inequalities, each of them, they require the serious attention. So all these inequalities, they require the serious attention. Our next topic is that introducing the fourth topic is your introducing sociology. So you have already been acquainted with the sociological imaginations and the central concern of sociology, that is to study society as an interconnected whole, and our discussions on the individual's choice and the job market showed how the economic, political, cultural, education institutions, these are to be interconnected. So we can say that how the individual choices and the job market, means how the individual choices and your job market, these are individual choice job market, this shows that how the economic, then political, cultural, educational institutions, that is your schools, colleges, educational institutions are all, how all of these are interconnected, means have their connection with each other, how they are interconnected. Job markets and your individual's choice, this shows how the economic, political, cultural, educational institutions, they are connected with each other. Then and how the individual is both constrained by it and yet can change it to an extent. So the next few chapters, that is with the, that will elaborate on different institutions as well as on the culture, means the further chapters, as we read the further chapters in the sociology, you will be able to know about the, you will be able to know about the cultures, your elaboration of different institution, elaboration of different, means detailed detailed explanations of the institutions, and also on the culture, you will read in the further chapters of this sociology. Then it will also focus on some key terms and the concept of sociology that will enable you to understand the society. So sociology basically based on the society. I mean, it is based on the society. It will provide you all the terms, key terms and the concepts which will able you to understand about the society. And for sociology is the study of the human social life. So what is your sociology? As I already given you the definition of this sociology. So basically sociology is the study of human social needs, human social needs, human social life, groups and society. So basically, sociology is being from one and the other thing related to the societies and the group. That is your human social life, groups and the societies relating to the people. So this is all about the introducing sociology, explanation for the how sociology being introduced. So till now, that's it.